In this video, I will show you how to print Excel worksheet to A4 paper size. So press Ctrl P. Now you will see this dialog box and options to make settings. So here, click on this drop down. Here you will see some settings like A4, A3 or A5. So you have to select here A4. So here you can print in different paper size your Excel worksheet. You want to make A4 as default, so more paper size. Also guys, you can change orientation like portrait or landscape. You can set and you can change the custom margins, wide or normal. So this is the setting to print A4 paper size your Excel worksheet. Thanks for watching.